Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix parity on this cube. So what's happening is, you're solving the cube just like normal, and it seems to be fine. When you get down to PLL, then you notice that something does not look familiar to you if you know the advanced method. This is supposed to be an F perm, but instead these two are switched, so it's not. And then if you do the algorithm for solving it, you end up with this, where this needs to be over here, but this one needs to be over here. And that is actually not possible on a 3x3. And then if you do a normal PLL algorithm for the end of this, then you get the same thing. And you keep doing the algorithm forever and ever, and you cannot get something different. So here's another possible case, which these two are switched, and they need to be switched around. That is not possible on a normal 3x3, but I'm going to show you the algorithm for fixing this kind of parity. It is M prime U, M prime U, M prime U prime, M prime U prime, M prime U2, M prime U prime, M prime U prime. And now we have a normal possible case where these are switched like a triangle. If you know the advanced method, that is really easy to fix. And you can just do a simple algorithm and it solves the cube. Okay, so that's how you fix parity on this cube. And you probably wouldn't need this tutorial because no one has a cube like this, but you might be wondering how to fix parity on like a void cube or whatever it's called. And it has the same type of parity as this cube. Okay, so that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.